Hello? Hi. How are you? Hello? Can't you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello?
What do we do?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Why aren't you talking? Why aren't you talking? You're eating?
Who's crying?
Oh, just someone. Okay, so how are you? Can you tie your hair properly?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I guess. Good. We will be having our new lesson for today. Remember our past. Oh, but first, how are you? You didn't tell me how are you. How are you? Are you fine?
Fine. Wow.
Okay, how was school? What did you do
That's
today?
great.
How about what did you do today?
I know.
What did you do today?
And do my homework.
Oh, you
Not really homework. I just did my exercise.
Oh, did you finish it? Did you finish it already?
Well, not yet.
Oh, you should finish it.
Ra đây phá đám này. Ngồi nghiêm túc nào. Hai ra đây mẹ. Ba lên giường chơi đồ chơi nhé.
Okay, so remember, oh my god. Okay, so remember our lesson last time that was type 1 conditional sentences, right? Okay, but for now, and now we are going to, no, not this one. Hi. Hello, brother.
Oh, my mother is going to water the plants.
Oh yes, are you going to help?
I'm studying.
You're studying?
Here.
Do you want to water the plants?
Not really.
Okay, now we have a new lesson for today. Remember our lesson last time that was type 1 conditional sentences. We are going to use if plus present tense and then future tense. Now we are to the type 2. We are using type 2 as. Can you read?
I don't see it.
Okay.
Type 2 conditional sentences are used to talk about situations that cannot happen in present.
Okay, so here go. These are types of sentences that cannot be happen in the present. Okay, same form, but class one is in the past simple tense, while the main clause is future in the past tense. Okay?
What?
Type
What?
1 was present simple tense and um future in the future tense in the present future in the present tense, while type 2 it is past simple tense comma future in the past tense. Okay, can you read the example?
Well, may I ask a question?
Yes.
How many types does this sentences have? More types? What?
Why are you blubber, why are you complaining? You shouldn't complain.
This is the second conditional.
Yes, this is the type 2 conditional.
What is zero?
It talks about real. First conditional, it talks about the future. Second conditional, it talks about the past that won't happen in the present. And there is also third conditional that won't really and that is just imaginary.
Oh, the third conditional. Why just have? Oh,
No, that is just wrong spelling.
what is real? Oh, you mean the present.
Yes.
Imaginary.
Yes. Okay, so can you now read the example?
If I went to the party, I would get someone to go with.
Okay, if I went to the party, I would get someone to go with. Okay, so we have affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Can you tell me about the forms?
S plus verb ed and for past form in negative subject plus did plus not plus where and
Base form of the verb.
interrogative is did plus subject plus verb
Okay.
where.
Okay, so that is past simple tense. Now, we are going to learn the form of the type 2 conditional for more positive form. Like this. If it rains, I will state if it rained. If it rained, I would stay at home. Can you tell me about the form?
If it rains, I will stay at home.
No, the form, the if plus subject.
Oh, if plus subject plus verb ed or verb or past irregular verb.
This is past. tense. Okay.
Subject plus would or could plus verb were.
Base form of the verb.
Base form of the verb.
Okay. How about in the negative form?
If subject plus didn't plus verb, base form verb, subject plus would or could plus not plus verb, bear, base form verb. Oh,
Like that. Can you see the example?
oh, I see what point is mean yes.
Okay. Hello, father. Okay. So, how about if clause like this? To be is equals to were with all subjects. For example,
If I were you, I would buy this phone.
okay, like that. Now let's practice.
Similar.
Were is a past form.
If we took the 6:30 train, we would arrive too early.
Okay, very good. How about number 2?
If they were stronger, they could lift the table.
Okay, good. If they were stronger. Now, number 3.
If I had enough money, I would go work to improve my English.
Okay, good. Number 4.
If I was a bird, I would fly all day.
You've forgotten about this one. If I were a verb, if I to be a verb like that, you should change it into were. So again, if I,
Were
again,
If I were a bird, I would fly all day.
okay, very good. If I were a bird, I would fly all day. Okay, next.
If she were you, she would eat a lot of meat.
Ding. Okay, remember to use were. How about number 3?
If I were in your place, I would make a trip to England.
Okay, like that. How about number 4?
If I knew his telephone number, I would give it to you.
Okay, very good. How about this one? Give the correct forms of the following verbs and conditional sentences type 2.
If I had a lot of money now, I would buy a new car.
Again,
If I had a lot of money now, I would buy a new car.
okay, how about number 2?
If she sold her car, she will get much money.
Okay, how about number 3?
If I become rich, I will spend all my time traveling.
Again.
If I become rich, if I became rich,
Okay,
I would
good.
all my time traveling.
I would spend all my time traveling. How about number 4?
If I were you,
Good.
I would study English hard.
Again.
If I were you, I would study English hard.
Okay, you should study English hard. Okay, so let's have another one. So easy? Was it so easy?
Let's review.
Mm-hmm. Tickle, we have there this one. But first, da 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 da. Yes, talk about it today. Hmm. Okay, so we're going to have a review about conditional sentences type 2. Okay, what was how does type 2 conditional sentences use?
Two conditional sentences used to talk about situations that not happen in present.
Okay, it doesn't happen in the present. Okay, so can you tell me about the forms?
If plus clause 1 clause 2.
Okay, so which is the main clause?
Main clause is clause 2.
Okay, good. Now can you tell me um the meaning of these forms? The meaning of the form of the type 2?
The form
Uh-huh.
clause 1 is the past simple tense.
That
Subject
is
ed or irregular verb, while in the main clause is the future in the past tense.
okay.
Subject plus verb.
Okay. So example?
If I went to the party, I would get someone to go with.
Okay, so that is the example of that. Okay, so let us review what is past simple tense again. That is subject plus verb in the past form. Negative is subject plus did not plus verb in the base form. And if you're using the interrogative form, that is did plus subject plus verb in the base form. Okay. Uh-huh. So if it rained, I would stay at home. Okay, so let's practice.
If I had a typewriter, I would type it myself.
Okay, I would type it myself. Ta-da! Correct. Okay, number 2.
If I knew his address, I'd give it to you.
Okay, if I knew his address, I'd give it to you. Number 3.
He he would look a lot better if he shaved more often.
That is, he would look a lot better if he shaved more often. Okay. How about number 9?
If someone gave you a helicopter, what would you do with it?
Again,
If someone gave you a helicopter, what will you do with it?
Okay, if someone gave you a helicopter, what would you do with it? Okay, good. How about number 10?
I would buy shares on that company if I had some money. Would buy.
Okay, I would buy shares. Okay, I would buy shares in that company if I had some money. Okay, how about this one?
If you helped your grandma, I would do the shopping. What?
This is okay. I will do the shopping. This is the correct answer. I would do the. I don't know how does this is wrong. Hmm. Okay, let's just move to the next question.
If they offered me the job, I would take it.
That is correct. Another?
Would offer if I
Oh wait, that is wrong. Okay, I would offer.
if I thought I'd like be any use.
Okay, good. How about this one? We do have a lot of exercise. Number 1, give the correct form of the following verbs in conditional sentences type 2. Number 1,
If he cleaned the house, no, if he cleaned his windscreen, he
that is
would
windscreen.
windscreen. He would be able to see where he was going.
Okay, good. How about number 2?
If you drive your car into the river,
What?
if you drive your car into the river, you would be able to get out.
How would you spell it? How would you spell? If you,
Right?
how would you spell it?
Just had D.
Oh, that is wrong. If you drove, that is drove. If you drove your car into the
Driver.
river, you would be able to get out. How about number three?
Unless
What is you?
you what wasn't
What's your
wasn't
answer?
what
If you
wasn't belong to a union, you
no,
get a job.
just focus on the word belong. What is the past form of belong?
Belong, belonged, belonged. At ed.
Okay, good. Just add ed. Continue.
You wouldn't get the job.
You would not get the job. Very good. How about number four?
If I won a big prize in the lottery, I would give you up my job.
Very good. I would give up my job. How about number five?
What? What? What would you? What would you um do? Done.
What if you
You did if you found a burglar in your house?
that is what would you do? If it is a question, then the first verb must be in the base form. The the second clause there is the word found. Can you see the word found? Yes. Can you see the word found?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Remember, if it is in the interrogative form, the first verb that you have to that you encounter must have a base form, while the second verb is in the past form. Okay. 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 We still got some exercise. Okay, number one. Give the correct form of the following verbs in conditional sentences type 2. Okay, transform it into a conditional sentences type 2. Where are you? Did you hide again? Oh, you hide again.
Hi, what?
Okay. So can you write your answers on the chat box? Okay, for number 1, 2, 4.
If they if they helped us, if they if they oh hmm. Đây là chợ động từ. Chợ động từ. Chợ động từ. Đây chỉ một chữ động từ thôi. Với trong nghĩa bạn. If he did. Đừng có ma.
Utang sa Lazada, laptop, 1,000 plus for 1 year. 1 year babayaran, 38,000.
Wala eh. Okay na. Ano kaya Joy?
Pero brand new na siya, 4i3.
Pwede ba mga ta?
Flip,
Hindi
tag
ta eh.
30,000.
If they were poor, they wouldn't help us. That is.
Oh, no. Where is it? Oh, here.
Wait, are you searching the internet for the correct answer? Excuse me? Are you browsing the internet for the correct answer?
No.
No? Then what are you doing?
You're saying what file, so I open it.
That's cheating.
Cheating what?
I said that's cheating. I will tell your father about it. Ooh. I really like my eyeglasses when it's not my eyes. Do I look cute in my eyeglasses? Do I look nice in my eyeglasses? Why aren't you answering me? Would you marry me? What's your answer for number two? I am sure you're browsing the internet. Okay, just answer me directly. He doesn't do his homework. He is always punished. If if he did his assignment, he wouldn't be punished. Okay, your answer for number one is correct. Oh no, if they weren't poor, oh no, it is still correct. They could help us. If they were poor, they wouldn't help us. Focusing. How about number two? He did his homework, he wouldn't be punished. How about number three? He doesn't have enough time. He can't help me. If he
had enough time, he could help me.
if he had enough time, he would help me. Okay, it is still.
What?
You just use the word could How about number 4? If she does, if she did, if she did if she did exercise, she wouldn't be overweight. Oh, if she took some exercise, she would lose some
I
weight.
say talk.
You didn't. I am a witch. You didn't said it took. I look like a witch then. Okay, let us see you next time. Okay, that is hard. You're browsing the internet earlier, am I right?
No.
Tell me the truth, or I will tell your father about it.
Say it.
You're cheating. Tell me, did you cheat?
If I cheat, I was scared.
What do you mean? No, 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 no.
Liar always scared.
Me? I'm not scared.
You wouldn't understand.
Why? Let me understand. Unit 4, I will open a new lesson. In this lesson, we are going to tackle 3 types of sentences. That is type 1, type 2, and type 3. I think sooner you will know about zero conditional. This is just a quick review. I'm very hungry. What's that smell? Where are you? Did you hide yourself again? Okay, so we are okay. I'm going to introduce you about the type 3. Remember the type 1 that is present simple and future in the present tense. The type 2 is past simple and future in the past tense. Now, how about type 3? Can you read? Can you read? Hey, you're not listening. You're not listening. I told you to read. Isn't it creepy? It's very annoying. Wow,
You're really a witch?
I am a witch.
You're lying.
I am a witch.
You're lying.
Okay, so witch don't wear eyeglasses. So maybe you are a witch.
What?
Okay, so this is the type 3. I remember I told you about third
Type 3 conditional sentences are used. What?
continue.
Used to talk about imaginary situations which didn't happen in the past. He did not invite her. She didn't come.
Baby
Now that
Jolene.
it would happen if he invited her. She would come here. She would have come. He had invited her.
Okay, so all in the past. Past tense.
Oh, who's crying? Just like a baby.
A baby got scared of the rain. It is raining in our country.
Oh, but I didn't see it rain now. Just the sound.
Poor baby. Can you hear the sound of the rain?
I think because that baby cried. That baby crying, so it had rain.
It rained, that's why the baby cried.
Oh no, the baby cried, so it had rain.
No, it rained, that's why the baby cried.
So the rain.
You look like a witch like me too, with your hair. Ooh. I told you to tie your hair. Now look at me, I look like a granny, a grandma. Now I look like a grandma. Grandma, yeah. You now look like a witch. You could scare yourself. Poor baby.
Oh, neighbor baby?
Yeah, huh? What do you mean? What did you say?
A neighbor's baby?
No.
Who is that crying? The baby?
Okay.
Oh, looks better.
Now you look better. Wow, you look better. If you will just brush your hair, you can look very cute. You can look like your mom. Your mom is very beautiful. Where are you? Now you can look like your mom if you brush your hair. If you fix your hair, your mom is very beautiful.
Oh,
Yes, when you grow up, maybe when you're 20 years old, you can be very beautiful too. Oh, what a cute kitten. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Welcome to Pankids. Pantado.
oh.
What would you like to say to Pantado?
Do you go to school?
No, it is still in coronavirus.
Oh, I thought that you say that you would go to school.
Yes, I'm going to school, but not yet.
Oh, go.
Yup, not yet. Okay. So there is only 2 minutes left.
What?
Yeah. Do you want to learn tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Well, if you have free time tomorrow, you can.
Um, of course. Still this time? Still this time?
What time do you want?
This time?
4:30?
Yes. Are you busy?
No. I don't know. Half past.
What half or what is that?
Okay. So see you tomorrow.
Wait, where's my exercise?
We'll do that tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Okay? Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Goodbye, Jade. Jade, goodbye, Jade.